Hello everyone, this is your boy Apostle for Viral Loops, and I'm here to show you how you can create an amazing double-sided reward referral campaign for your business using the Altruistic Referral Template, which you can find inside our template wizard. So the first thing that you need to do is to obviously log in into your Viral Loops account and select to create a new campaign. Good. From there, you have to scroll down a bit and find the Altruistic Referral Template inspired by Airbnb and select this template and choose to select this template again. Good, and then you will be redirected to the info step where you have to provide some info about your campaign. So first you have to enter your website's name. I'm going to go with Viral Loops. What should we call your campaign? You should call it altruism. Yes, altruism. Okay, you have to also put your URL of your website. I will go with viralloops.com, and then you have to select the Viral Loops link style. You may choose among modern, classic, and hidden. Modern has this beautiful pink heart. Classic has a more discreet gray color, and also the hidden option is only available for Power Plans users or app. I'm going to go with modern and press next. Great, now we are on the rewarding step, and here you can choose how your rewards will act. So you have to first choose if you are going to give a monetary reward or not. So let's go with monetary. As you can see, which is the currency symbol, you can press $, and now you have to choose for everyone that is referred to make a conversion to your application should get, for example, 20 euros. The referrer should be awarded with 20 euros as well. What is the maximum amount the referrer can get from all their invite? Let's say 500. You can also set an email notification for a successful referral. Let's see how that works. Good. Here is a preview of the successful referral email. You may choose the from name, the from email address, the subject line, and the reply to address. We provide you some merge tags right here. And you can also set up some graphics such as a header image or a logo. You can customize the main call to action, so you can change the background color. Let's go with black. As you can see, it changed here. Of course, you can change the main body of the email, and you have the option to send a test email to yourself just to make sure that people will receive the exact same email that you see in the preview right here. I think we're good to go. Let's save this. Good. And now let's go to the next step, which is the widgets step. We have two widgets. We have the sharing widget and the reward stats. Let's go to customize the sharing widget. This is the preview. You may change the primary color. Black is perfect. You may choose to show or not the unique link. You have also the email, which is fully customizable, and by default you have Facebook, Twitter, and email, and of course you have Reddit right here. Now for Twitter, you may choose to create a pre-populated tweet, so when people will come here and decide to tweet about your campaign, this is the suggested message that you will give them to. A similar approach applies for Reddit as well, where you can create suggested titles for the posts. Okay, I think we're good to go. Save this, and now let's go and edit the rewards stats. You can change the column labels, friends who made a purchase, and how much you have gained again, and you may change the line color Let's go with black. Save that. And on to the last step. Here is the installation step. We have some instructions right here. And if you follow these, hopefully you will be able to press the finish button and your campaign will be live. Thank you very much for being with me. I hope to see you soon. Keep being awesome. Peace.